Hi, my name's Dr. Nerys Owen, and I have been asked by the lovely Riaan for a testimonial. So I'm going to keep this very brief and say that Riaan is a revelation. He is awesome. His understanding and knowledge in everything Google Ads has blown my mind, and he's actually educated me as well as keeping my business fluid with referrals, awesome referrals. He came at a point where I had been very disillusioned. I was overspending. I didn't know what was happening. I was working with another agency, and Riaan literally came in a red cape and saved my mind actually, because I was going, did not know what to do. We were in a situation where we were overspending on our Google ads. We had no strategy, and Riaan came and saved us from the depths of despair. And I mean that genuinely. And what he's done for our ad campaign has really elevated my business and really got us on a path that we are really happy with. So thank you, Riaan. You are an angel of greatness, and I say we because I'm a part of a big team. Business is growing, and yeah, we are very happy with Mr. Miles. So thank you.